Welcome back to Beaumont's Home Kitchen. Today we'll be making some awesome steak sandwich. So I have a baguette. Our grill is heating up. It's going to take our baguette, cut it in half. It is garlic bread, so it's all buttered up nicely. But we're going to add to it a touch of olive oil. So we're going to take our bread and put some olive oil on the bread. Just a touch of salt. A little bit of cracked pepper. Oh yeah, grill's heating up nicely. Yeah, it's looking pretty good. So we're going to toss our bread on there. And there's a fair bit of weight from the grill itself, so that'll be perfect to get our bread all nice. It's there for a few minutes. And this is the first time I've used this style of grill for this, so it'll be awesome. We're going to season our steak up. All right, salt a fair bit, be generous, because the salt kind of cooks off when you grill it. So keep an eye on our bread. Grilled up. We want some nice grill marks on there. So as I said, be generous with the salt. Pepper. Okay. Nice steak. Nice New York steak. Okay, so we're going to slice a few tomatoes, cherry tomatoes, cut them in half. Cut them in half like so. And I got a few from the garden, so cool. Yes, and the little lesson about the steak, you want to make sure the steak is at room temperature. Really important. So just leave it out for a good like half hour before you grill it. Important steps, so it cooks evenly. So for tomatoes, it's going to add some salt, some pepper, olive oil. Toss those tomatoes. I'm going to use those later. So keep an eye on the bread. Oh yeah, she's looking good. She's looking good. And I sliced some mushrooms and onions. So I sliced some brown mushrooms into 3, and we're going to grill those as well. And also did some onions as well. Cool. So we're going to grill those up with the steak. See the beautiful onions and that. Oh yeah, nice, beautiful. Oh yeah, see that? See the grill marks on the bread? That's what you want. Okay, so that's looking pretty good. All right, so we'll toss our steak on. Get that steak on there. Okay, mushrooms. Yeah, I'll season them up a bit. Okay, now toss our mushrooms. No oil on there. All right. Let's toss in a bit of oil in there. We're going to toss our mushrooms on there. Some of the mushrooms, onions will fit there. A few more here. A bit more seasoning on there. All right. Salt. Okay. Let that grill up nicely. Right now we're going to do a little marinade. Worcestershire sauce. About a tablespoon or so. A little bit of hot sauce. If you have Tabasco, you can use Tabasco, or you can just use a hot sauce. Fine. Mix this up. Makes grill marks in the steak. Now what we're going to do, kind of flip the steak around so we get grill marks on all sides of the steak. Very important. And you'll need some beer, so we'll put that aside. Oh yeah, she's looking good. All right, so we'll take our sauce. Gonna brush it all over the steak. Brush it on your veggies, mushrooms. Get it all happy in there. All right, perfect. Flip the steak so I can get the sauce on the other side. A little bit of more Worcestershire sauce in here. A little bit of Dijon mustard. About a tablespoon or so. A couple tablespoons of mayo in there. Mix this up. This will be a lovely sauce there. Okay. Oh yeah, steak's looking pretty good. Just a little heat is good. Now you can use lettuce if you definitely want to do a steak sandwich. I'm kind of layering it sort of the way I would want to do a steak sandwich. Just layering some lovely tomatoes on there. I have a thing for tomatoes, so, you know, make a steak sandwich, be creative. With the steak sandwiches, so with the layers. All right, it's gonna put a little bit of sauce on there. It's like so. Okay, now, oh wow, looking good here. For our veggies, let's toss a touch of garlic in there. Just a touch of thyme. Kind of mix it around in our little veggies there. Our veggies are good. You want beer all over the steak. A lot of flavor there. You can use any kind of beer. I have a Sapporo here, nice Japanese beer. You probably don't want to use a cheap beer, but use a nice beer is good. Let that get all happy. Alcohol cook off. Take the veggies off. A little bit of sauce on our bread. This is how I would do a steak sandwich. So got some Roquefort cheese as well. The good stuff. Look at that. Look at that Roquefort cheese. Looking good. Take our steak off. Onions. Slice our steak like so. Oh, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Worked out good. I guess someone knows how to cook a steak. I can probably make a couple sandwiches out of this. Cool. Beautiful pieces on there. Oh yeah, looking good. All right, so that's looking good. All right, now I guess we're gonna try the steak. See how I did. Now our cheese. If you put the cheese on the steak, the cheese will melt. Beautiful. Sauce just like all over here like so. There we are. Okay. Top part of the bun. So cut our steak sandwich in half. All right. On the plate like so. Beautiful steak sandwich. Beautiful, yummy steak sandwich. Guess we'll have to give it a try. Look at that. Well, it's gonna be a little messy, but that's okay. Oh man, awesome steak sandwich. Thanks for watching Bowen's Kitchen. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share. Love ya, and we'll see you in the next video. And this is oh man, that was a pretty awesome steak sandwich. And get down below and leave me a comment. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.